Hello YouTube, I'm finally back in the garage to continue to work on my projects, and I thought that I will make a short little video letting you know that I'm about to start working on the projects and also showing some new items that I received. So first off, we got a brand new chuck here from Pratt. I think it's called Pratt. I'm not really sure, but this one is 100 millimeters, and they had two different kinds of series to choose from, and I went with the super precision version and got a small little test certificate here. So hopefully that will help me a little bit at least to achieve good finish on the stuff that I will attempt to turn. Got some chromoly tools here that I plan to make some chuck backplates out of, and as you can see, these ones are 110 millimeters, so I'll have to make them a bit smaller. The plan is to mount these ones on a router and make the whole pattern and take off some material here, and then I will remove the last part of material when it's mounted on the lathe. And feel free to comment if it's stupid to go with chromoly tool steel for the chuck backplate. I don't know. I felt it was beneficial since I believe that I can make it a bit thinner than if I should have went for cast iron. But I have cast iron as well, so if it's stupid to go with this one and I should go with cast iron, please comment down below. I'm a beginner, so I don't know. Then we got some a small lubrication system here for the lathe as well, and this one was 38 euros I think on Amazon in Germany. It was much cheaper there than on eBay or AliExpress, and it was for the complete kit. Then I also bought some proper whey oil. This one was $6 I think. So the plan is to hook these ones up and mount these fittings or connectors where it should be lubricated on the lathe, and then simply being able to pump and lubricate everything. So yeah, the plan is to mount this one and also to make a second motor plate here. I made one last time I was in the garage, but I will need to make one more up here, then hook it up and test run it. And I will also attempt to mount this one on the manual mill, and the weight covers on the 64 routers, they are just sitting there, they are loose, so I'll have to come up with something to mount them. And here we got some nice upgrade for the 64 router as well. A solid work table, 25 millimeters, so almost 1 inch. And I think that this will reduce the vibrations quite a lot. These two will be for mounting the linear rails on my new y-axis, but that won't be now. I will try to finish the manual mill and work on the lathe now on these videos. So yeah, just wanted to make a short video so you know that some more videos will come soon. Take care, and